It is a great satisfaction to greet you and I hope you find yourself well. In today's video we will talk about the following. Does kissing your ex mean you're back? Let's find out now. Kissing your ex is the main goal when you are trying to rebuild your relationship. You take it as a sign that you are together again and that your love story has not come to an end. It is a crucial moment for those people who hope to return, and of course, you want to get to this point as soon as possible. However, by the time you two parted ways, things are not the same. The separation is inevitably going to complicate things and thwart your plans. How can you kiss your ex in these circumstances? How can you recreate that special moment and how do you know when the time is right? Does kissing your ex mean you got back together? Find out everything you need to know in this article written by an expert. 1. Kissing your ex is a significant sign when it comes to getting back together with your ex. When you ask yourself, should I kiss my ex or not? It's meaningful because it's a perfect way to test things out to see if you're succeeding in getting back together. Then you calm down when it actually happens and this makes a lot of sense. It is proof that he is still attracted to you because if he had completely forgotten about you or changed his mind about you, he would not have accepted the kiss. The effort you made to return was not in vain and has paid off, although there are still steps to follow. Trying to get back together with your ex is not always easy and it can take a toll on your mind and emotions. When you kiss an ex, it feels like a release and you revel in the moment. It is a special moment of intimacy that both of them share after the breakup. But be careful, you should not stop at this stage. 2. How you should approach your ex to finalize the kiss. Kissing your ex is a positive thing, but you need to get to this step the right way and not go wrong. The most common mistake is when people just want to jump on their ex the moment they see him again. You have to surprise this person by showing that there is still an affinity between you. You should not rush things because you will end your hopes. As I like to say, to get your ex back, make sure you don't confuse haste with haste. Taking your time and recognizing the right moment, i.e. when your ex lets his guard down, will determine your success. Acting too soon or being too slow and missing the chance to kiss your ex could ruin your efforts. Basically, time is of the essence. Of course, it's hard to tell you precisely when is the right time to kiss your ex because every story and every person is unique. However, one thing is for sure, progressive efforts will lead you to the sweet kiss you expect. Think about how you were the first time you met or on the first day together as a couple because these elements will give you the keys to get closer to your ex-partner. One of the most common mistakes is when people put too much pressure on themselves and the importance of this kiss. As you get ready to see your ex, you shouldn't be thinking, I'm going to kiss my ex in the middle of the movie or right after dinner. You will have to follow your heart but you will also have to control your emotions. You will instinctively know when the moment is right to press your lips against his or hers. Even if this may seem a bit cliché, a good technique is to look him in the eye as you gently lean in just before you kiss your ex. 3. Is the kiss the end of the process of getting back with your ex? After your date, are you going to go home and put the following on your Facebook status, in a relationship? Are you going to call your family and tell them the good news? Of course not. This would be a mistake because you should never go too fast and neglect the reasons behind the breakout. Kissing your ex is not the final step in getting back together. Kissing your ex, contrary to what many people may think, does not mean that you got back together. Of course you are on the right track because you have grown so close to your ex, but your work is not done yet. As I already told you, it is a step. You may have a tendency to forget about problems that need fixing and even if it works for a few weeks, and at some point these problems will come back. Kissing your ex shouldn't stop you from having an honest and candid conversation about your relationship. Many of you go too fast and think that everything is back to normal after a moment like this, a kiss. However, your relationship still needs rebuilding. The attraction did not go away, but now you will have to fix the things that were not working before. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.